Hey everybody, Stan Dale, President Florida Suncoast Chapter. Hope you're doing good tonight. Hey, deviate a little bit from what I normally do. I'm not using a script tonight. We've got so many things, but I think I can get through the first week or so of August. But before I do that, let me just tout something. I was just looking at our Florida Suncoast Chapter Facebook account, and we're now like over, I don't know, almost 350, 360 individuals out on our Facebook account. And I was just looking at something that Carol just loaded on the Facebook account. You can actually have the calendar, the Florida Suncoast calendar, at your fingertips right on your Facebook account. Just go in there, FSC Facebook account, click, and there it is. All the things on our calendar pop right up in your hand, and they're that close. And of course, you can go in your Google account on your phone and Google FSCBMWCCA.com, and our website comes up. Click on the calendar piece and you can get to it that way as well. But how cool in the Facebook account, just instantaneous, you get right there to all the events. So as we jump forward and look at what we have coming up, the 1st of August is a Saturday, so of course we're going to be at Sarasota Cars and Coffee at BMW Sarasota, and then the next weekend I think is the 9th and the 10th, something like that. Don't quote me on the dates, but we'll be in Lakeland at Cars and Coffee at Fields on Saturday. And there's a new Cars and Coffee that we've posted there. You'll see that when you go take a look at the 9th of August. And then on the 10th, we're in Naples at the BMW dealership down there for Cars and Coffee. And then the following weekend up here. And then we have lunches and breakfasts and all these other kind of things that are popping all around us, all up and down the state. I think we have now like 11 or 12, 13 Cars and Coffees all across the state, so you can get to one of those. I saw that we have some travel events coming up. We just finished the Burma's tour this past weekend up in the Jacksonville, St. Augustine area. And those folks just had a blast. I couldn't make it because of actually had to attend a funeral, but just everything going on around the state, a lot of different things. Let me tell you, before the night's out, we'll have the link to the Homestead Drive at the Homestead Motor Speedway. That link should be up tonight. I've got to go in tonight and just take a look at it real quick and approve it, and then I think Carol will be loading it on the website. It's a little different, so make sure you read the rules, or make sure you read the how to register, because the event should cost you $88. Don't get excited when you see 1,097 or something like that on there. When you hit the code BMW CCA, all of a sudden it flushes out all that other cost, and it's only $88 to us. But we're going to go to Homestead and drive that track, the sports car track. And we're going to tour from Southwest Florida, probably right here close to Estero, which is between Fort Myers and Naples. We'll launch out of here somewhere around 7 a.m. and then make our way over to the track. That's going to be August the 30th. So there's a lot of other things between now and then going on, and we'll update you, but take a look down below at all the events that are posted here on the website and here on the e-blast and now on the Facebook account. So every way we can get this information out to you, that's what we want to do, so that we have just a great turnout at these events. And appreciate all the folks that are planning and doing all those kind of things, putting events up for us. So we're just trying to think of some new stuff to do, and we're doing that. I'll tell you, if you're thinking about going to the October mountain drive, I've only got a few spaces left on the roster for folks to go. So if you need to do that, you need to go to the website and register RSVP with Florida Suncoast. But then you need to call the hotel that we have listed and make that reservation. They don't really charge you till you get there, but you need to make your reservation, because we will cap out that hotel. And this year we're going up on the 8th, which is a Wednesday, the 8th of October. We're leaving here. We're going to Greer, South Carolina, where we're going to take in, we know for sure we're going to take in the Alpina collection at the BMW Foundation, BMW CCA Foundation. But we're also working on a tour for the BMW plant. If you've never been through the production plant for BMW, it is absolutely magic. Just to see BMWs come together and how they do it. and they have just this amazing tour. So we're working on that, trying to get that in as well before we head up and do some really cool driving up in the mountains, curvy roads, Tail of the Dragon, Back of the Dragon. I mean, we have a bunch of things planned as we get up there, dinners and the whatnot. So it should be a lot of fun. It always is a lot of fun, but this is Mountain Drive 4.0. So a lot of different things coming up, and we're into, I'll tell you, we're already into January, or already planning in the first and second quarter of next year, but go ahead and reserve January 17th. That's a Saturday. January 17th will be a blowout. We're planning the annual luncheon. We've got a 5-acre piece of property up just outside of Sarasota there, just east of the interstate. And we are planning a blowout event for January the 17th. So put it on your calendar. We will cap it at 200 people. We think we could put 100 to 150 cars on the property. Food, music, the whole 9 yards. Some amazing BMWs should be turned out. So mark your calendar for January 17th. We'll go ahead and let you know that. But until then, if you want to go to the Homestead Drive, 25 or 30 cars is all we're going to take. Once we get to that number, you can't get in. So go ahead and jump on this as soon as you can see this tonight. Rich Rouser has the link. I have the link. Mario has the link. Larry Cobb has the link. Carol has the link. If you need it, let us know. We can send you the link, but I'd rather you go through and catch it off our site so we know that you're going to go. So make sure you get in and take a look at that. Until then, that's all we have to talk about. Happy motoring to everybody, and stay safe, y'all. Thanks. Bye.